how to lock someone out of your Roblox account. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So, to lock someone out of your Roblox account, it's really simple. So, let's dive right in. First things first, open up your Roblox app and then go to the More option on the bottom right. There, scroll down and then tap on Settings. Now, here you'll find security. Go ahead and click on it. And now here you'll find all the devices that have been logged into your Roblox account. Scroll down and here you can see where you're logged in. So if you find some suspicious device that you don't recognize, then you can tap on log out of all other sessions. Go ahead and tap on it. And then when you confirm it, you will be logged out from other devices if that you do not recognize. And that's it. That is how you log someone out of your Roblox account. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.